how you put that, Dr. Doc. You always coming with the good stuff. I'm doing this sleeve finish right here, and I went around the sleeve edges 5/8 of an inch, and I'm gonna fold it, press it, and then tuck the edges to the press and stitch the edges. Hello and welcome. This is Alethea. Today we're gonna do Simplicity 9952. It's an easy sew. I'm doing view A again. I did it once before. I'll get a picture of it and put it in so you can see it and check that video out. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and welcome. Thanks to all of the new subscribers and the ones that's been rolling with me for a while. Let's get into Simplicity 9952. It's an easy pattern, although you have buttonholes. Let's go. So now, so you can see that I have attached the collar and pretty much got the blouse all together. I did my 5/8 right here, and I pressed it, folded my ends in to meet the 5/8 inch. And it has to be stitched on the edges. This is how the sleeves are looking for this view. And the next step is the buttonholes and then the hem. And this blouse will be completed. Here is the collar. And it's looking like this. I like this fabric. And that fabric came from Mood. So you see, I have gotten all the buttons on. Got to clean up my work. And unfortunately, I haven't ordered my buttons. I haven't decided and haven't started looking for them. But I will let you see it after I'm done or selected the buttons and sewed them on. Let's tighten this up. I appreciate you visiting, but let's tighten up this work. And I do make a duplicate or trace my buttonhole panel, and I sew with tissue paper on top. Fray check on it and let it sit for a day. And I'm using a seam ripper. So this is the fray check. There's a clear kind. I have that kind as well. I started using this one first, and it stops fraying. Permanent fabric adhesive repairs frayed fabric and trim edges. So it's permanent. So I'm gonna take a little stick and go around my buttonholes and let it set overnight. And this blouse is completed except for the buttons, which I haven't gotten yet. Thank you for coming. I appreciate your help. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already done so. And join the family. It's lots of fun. Sweet inspirations to all. See you in the next video. Thank you.